So this is Cherry Tree where we've been stopping just for a night. But it's lovely, it's really pretty, lovely people, lovely gardens. Just avoid the tree there. So we're off on a short cruise. We'll go past the marina, so hopefully I can get some water and diesel. And then we're hoping to stop near a nature reserve. This is a big aqueduct there that I want to go and have a look. So that's what we're doing today. The school there does loads of outbound, like, creative stuff rather than just a big lawn. So they do good work there. The gardens are lovely here. We've all done them out lovely. Loving the pumpkin. A nice bar there. Very nice. Perfect houses if you like fishing. Not a cloud in the sky, very pretty. Sunglasses and jumper day today. Beautiful. I don't know if you can see Anita behind. Strong sun. It's still a bit chilly. It was really frosty when I got up this morning. There's still a nip in the air. But gee, whoa. So we're hoping to get parked near the marine reserve, but we'll see. We're going to try like before the reserve, before the pontoon moorings. Because we'll get better solar, and the sun's out, so it's nice to get some solar. There's a big power station on the right. There's loads of trees you can't really see through. If I can get a clay shop, I'll try and get a shop. But what a beautiful morning. And I'm not going to say the pretty words today. I'm trying not to. Just see the power station through the trees. Probably why all the trees are planted. Well, these look as though they were planted before the station. It's huge. I love this coming off. You can see a bench, so you can sit there and just listen to nature, watch annoying diesel boats come past you. Sitting on that chair, you have to look forward at the nature here and not behind at the power station behind you. Just keep your eyes forward, keep your eyes forward. So it looks like Anita and I are not talking because she's parked there and I'm parked there. We're just getting the best angle for the solar. How pretty is this for our mooring? It's really nice. You've got a slight noise of a motorway, but so pretty. We're going to do a wash and put out to dry and then maybe head off tomorrow. We'll see, we shall see. Hiya, it's Mad Hair Tuesday and my hair's like proper freaking out, really freaking out. It's been misty and drizzly this morning. I've walked along and I can hopefully get parked at the pontoon moorings near a nature reserve, which would be good, and a viaduct. Left Anita, she's going to come along a bit later, and hopefully get cruising before it's miserable again. So happy Mad Hair Tuesday. reading room. What a beautiful house. We're walking up to the aqueduct. Lovely little garden. Or park. Really pretty. Pretty doors. All the Easter flowers on. Charlie's left home. Oh no, I hate my mother. Teddy's like, yay, little dog, little dog. Anita doesn't care.
Anita's watching telly.
There's Anita admiring the houses. This is 1697. This is where I film you sliding down. I need to make sure that the incline has been recorded. At least you put concrete at the end, do you know what I mean? So if you do slide down, it stops you. And then we go down here. Good evening.